Hey, this is Brittany, your Chopstick Girl, with your small bite of the day. Hey, if you are looking for an amazing Christmas scene, you do not need to drive 2 hours. Just go 10 minutes and hit the Christmas tree lot. No, I am dead serious. Everybody has Christmas tree lots near them. They usually have the nicest people who host them. Offer them $5-10. Say, hey, can I just photograph for a couple of minutes? And you can get some of the cutest Christmas time photos with very little effort. I am not even kidding. Like, everyone should be doing this. But I am gonna give you a word of advice. Don't do this if you're gonna have like 15 minis lined up in a row. Not polite, it's not courteous to other people, but I would recommend if you have 1 or 2 quick clients on your way to a different location, or they just need a couple of quick pictures, but you're not having them back to back to back. Totally recommend it. Always ask permission first, guys. Just be super courteous, and throw them a couple of dollars. Just pretend it's like you're having to pay a permit fee, and I kid you not, you can get some of the cutest locations, even in the Hobby Lobby parking lot, which reminds me, I think I need some things from Hobby Lobby. Yeah, I'm gonna go shopping. I think I need something. Hey, small bite of the day. Have you guys used a Christmas tree lot before? Let me know. Leave a comment. Hey, have you subscribed? You have better subscribed. Okay, thanks.